In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Skype background in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to add a professional touch to your video calls or simply want to freshen up your virtual space with something new and fun, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Skype website to change your background for any video calls. Once there, look for the option that says Open Skype in Browser. This is a handy feature allowing you to use Skype directly from your web browser without downloading the application. Click on it, and if prompted, sign in using your Skype account details. It's a simple step but an essential one to get you closer to customizing your background. After you're logged in, you'll see the Skype interface pop up on your screen. Now your next move is to click on the 3 dots located at the top or side of your window. This little icon is more powerful than it appears. It's your gateway to a variety of settings and options within Skype. Having clicked on the 3 dots, you'll see a menu unfold. From this menu, select Settings. The Settings option is the control center for all things Skype. It lets you manage your account, customize your chat experience, and yes, change your video background. Within Settings, navigate to the Audio and Video section. This is where you can adjust how you sound and look during video calls. The audio and video settings are crucial for ensuring that your calls go smoothly, offering options for your microphone, speakers, and of course, your camera. Here comes the fun part. Within the audio and video settings, look for the option to Add Image. This is where you can browse and select a new background for your video calls. Think of it as choosing the perfect wallpaper for your room, but for your Skype calls, you can pick anything from a sleek office background to a sunny beach scene, whatever suits your mood or the occasion. So go ahead, click on Add Image and browse through your files to pick a background you wish to use. Once you've selected your desired image, it will automatically become the backdrop for all your Skype video calls, transforming your virtual space instantly. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to customize your Skype background, adding a personal or professional touch to your video calls. Remember, you can change your background as often as you like, so feel free to experiment with different images until you find the perfect one. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides on making the most out of your digital experiences. Happy Skyping!